Have you ever played a movie but there's no sound at all? Many movies come with DTS or DTS-HD MA audio, which is not supported by many TVs, media players, or streaming devices. Today I'll show you how to convert DTS audio to Dolby AC3 without changing your video quality or other settings. DTS audio delivers high-quality sound, but the problem is compatibility. If your device doesn't support DTS, you may see errors like unsupported audio or simply get no sound at all. Dolby AC3, on the other hand, works perfectly on TVs, soundbars, game consoles, and streaming boxes. To fix this, we'll use WonderFox HD Video Converter Factory Pro. It's designed for beginners and lets you convert DTS to AC3 inside movies with just a few clicks. No complicated settings required. You can download it from the official website or from the link in the description. Step 1. Load source movie files. First, launch HD Video Converter Factory Pro and open the converter module. Click Add Files to import your movie files, or simply drag and drop them into the interface. Step 2. Choose an output format. Next, click the format image on the right to open the full output format list. There are over 500 presets for different devices and uses. Here I'll choose MKV under the video category as an example. Step 3. Change the audio encoder. Now comes the most important step. Click Parameter Settings, go to the Audio Settings section and select AC3 as the encoder. You can also choose audio channels and adjust bitrate or sample rate if needed. Click OK to return to the main interface. Step 4. Start conversion. Finally, click the inverted triangle icon to select an output folder. Then simply click Run to start converting DTS to Dolby AC3. And that's it! Your movie now uses Dolby AC3 audio and will play smoothly on almost any device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the download link in the description. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.